In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Binance. We'll start from a fresh browser window. In the search box, type Binance, then pause to review the results carefully. Select the official Binance.com link with a secure padlock. If you see sponsored results or lookalike domains, skip them. Verifying the site first is the simplest way to avoid phishing pages. As a good habit, consider bookmarking the official URL for next time. And enable two-factor authentication in your account's security settings so your login stays protected. Once you're on the Binance homepage, sign in if you have an account, or just follow along without logging in to see the layout. At the top navigation, locate the Trade menu. On desktop, hover to open it. On mobile, tap to expand. From that list, choose P2P. P2P, or peer-to-peer, is where users post offers to buy and sell crypto directly using local payment methods. Binance uses an escrow system here. When a trade starts, the crypto is temporarily held, adding a layer of protection for both parties. Inside the P2P area, switch to the Zelle view. This reorganizes the marketplace to show you buyers who want to purchase your crypto. Selecting Zelle doesn't start a trade by itself. It simply filters the listing so you can compare prices, limits, and counterparties. If you plan to transact, make sure your identity verification and payment preferences are completed in your account settings so you'll see compatible offers. Now refine the marketplace by payment method. In the payment field, start typing Zelle. As you type, you'll see suggestions appear. Click Zelle to apply the filter. Instantly, the page narrows to buyers who support Zelle, making it easier to find suitable matches. For accuracy, confirm that your fiat currency in the toolbar matches your region, typically USD if you're using Zelle. It's also a good idea to ensure the name on your Zelle account matches your verified name on the platform to avoid payment review issues with your bank. With the filter active, review the refreshed list of offers. Look at the price, trade limits, completion rate, and total orders. These details help you assess reliability and consistency. Keep all communication within the platform's chat, never share sensitive personal information, and make sure you understand the offer's terms clearly before proceeding. If anything looks off, simply move on to another listing. And that's it. You've gone from a simple Google search to the Binance homepage, open the P2P market through the Trade menu, switch to the Zelle view, and filtered offers specifically for Zelle. With these steps complete, you're set to continue following the on-screen prompts when you're ready.